Number 29 of your books. Hurry up. Open page number 29 of your science books. जल्दी से खोल लो. Okay, so today we have to start from topic properties of substances. This page, as you can see on the screen, you have to open this page. Today we have to start from properties of substances. Okay, so what do we meant by properties of substances? So there are many substances and there are many different properties of substances. So okay, so we have to study these properties one by one. Like, what do we meant by properties? We have to study them. Number one is thermal conductivity. As you can see this paragraph. Now, firstly, we are going to study thermal conductivity. What is the meaning of thermal? You have to hold pencils in your hand so that you can write meanings as well. Okay, so what is meant by thermal? Thermal means heat. Okay. Conductivity होती है. Conductivity means to conduct something, to pass on something. That is called conductivity. So thermal conductivity means heat conductivity. To pass on heat. Conduct करना means to pass on heat or to pass on something, to pass on electricity or to pass on heat, whatever. So thermal conductivity means to pass on heat. Okay, underline the definition. Molecules of some substances can carry heat easily. Substances that can carry heat are called good conductors of heat. Okay, so there are molecules of substances. We have studied that about solids, liquids, and gases. And when we studied them, we studied that all the molecules, all of them have molecules. Some of the molecules are very close together. Some have molecules which are very far. Okay, so we have studied all the molecules of all substances. So now in this paragraph, what are they telling you? Molecules of some substances can carry heat easily. Okay, some substances can carry heat easily, like some metals, steel, iron. They can, all these substances can carry heat easily. Substances underlined that can carry heat are called good conductors of heat. What do we mean by conductor? Means which can conduct, which can pass. कंडक्टर का मतलब क्या है? जो कि आगे कंडक्ट कर सके, कि पास कर सके. So conductors means which can conduct. So substances that can carry heat are called good conductors of heat. So they are called good conductors of heat because they can pass heat easily. अब इसमें हमारे पास examples क्या है? Like metals, steel, iron. Metals में हमारे पास है iron, copper, gold, aluminium. Okay, so all of these are good conductors of. आपको पता है ज्यादातर जो वायर्स होती हैं वो किसी बनी होती है, they are made up of copper or aluminium. So wires are made up of mostly copper or aluminium. क्योंकि जो ये वायर्स, ये जो मेटल्स है कॉपर एंड एल्यूमिनियम, these are the best metals, these are the best conductors of heat. That's why wires are made up of these metals and these are the best conductors of electricity as well. So that's why wires are made up of these metals. So like as you can see in this picture, this one, what is written over here? That metals are good conductors of heat. Metals जो हैं, like they are when they are placed on stove, they can easily become hot after some time. It means they are good conductors of heat. So all these utensils which are made up of steel or stainless steel, or you can say metals, they are very good conductors of heat. Okay, so when these utensils are placed on the gas stove, they become hot. How can they become hot? Because the molecules which are at the lower part, they become hot and they pass on the heat towards the upper molecule. So in this way, the molecules become hot. Okay, so what do we mean by thermal conductivity? Means that molecules of some substances can carry heat easily. This is called thermal conductivity. The conductivity means to pass, and thermal means heat. Like when this stove is placed on when this met, uh, metal when this utensil is placed on a stove, the lower part, the molecules which are at the bottom, they start getting heat fast. So they travel. This heat travels upwards, and the molecules at the upper part also becomes hot. So this is called thermal conductivity. That the molecules which are at the uh, bottom of the metal, they pass on the heat towards the upper molecules. So in this way, the heat is faster. Okay, like for example, if you just touch a hot cup of tea, the the cup is very hot, and after some time, our hand, if we just touch it, our hand also become hot or also become warm. How? Because the molecules of the cup, they pass on the heat towards our hand. So this is an example of thermal conductivity. As you can see in this picture, like this. अब आप यहाँ पे देखिए what is written over here. Thermal conductivity is large. Okay. अब ये देखो यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या आपको मेंशन किया है thermal conductivity means to say that this cup is hot. Okay, but when a person grab this cup in his hand, so the heat passes on in his hand. When held in hand, अब क्या हो गया? Not hot. अब यहाँ पे hot था, यहाँ पे क्या है? Not hot. Why? Because now the heat is being passed on towards the hand. So thermal conductivity is large, means the heat is passed on towards the hand, and in this way, the cup's hotness is passed on towards the hand because the molecules of the cup, or you can say, yes, you can say the molecules of the cup, they just transfer the heat towards the hand. Where they transfer the heat towards the hand. Okay, Zena, you are not listening attentively. Be attentive. So when you just have this cup in your hand, it was very hot at the start, but after some time it becomes not hot. Look at this one, not hot. Why? Because now the heat is being passed on to the hand. The heat is being transferred to the hand. That's why. So over here, the thermal conductivity is large, and over here, thermal conductivity is small. Understand? Okay, now we are going towards the next topic, that is electrical conductivity and magnetism. You can open the next page, page number 30. Okay, now there are some substances that are not good conductors of heat. Okay, they do not carry heat properly, so they are called bad conductors of heat. Means heat cannot be passed. Okay, you have seen that with utensils, there are also with some utensils which are there are also some rubber placed on them. Okay, for some utensils there is also rubber. So that rubber is for so that the heat cannot cross, and so that we can just grip from that side. If there is rubber or if there is plastic, we can just grip from that side. So plastic we do not use in utensils because plastics are not like for utensils. Na? Basically, utensils are made up of metals and steels, and their gripping side is made up of rubber. यानी जहाँ से हमने पकड़ना होता है वो जगह रबर की होती है ताकि हम इजीली उसको ग्रिप कर सकें, पकड़ सकें और फिर हम उसको हिला सकें जो भी हमने चीज़ बनानी है जो भी. So you can underline the definition. Substances that do not carry heat are called bad conductors of heat. So plastic, wood and rubber are some of the bad conductors of heat. इनमें से heat cross नहीं हो सकती. Good conductors क्या है? Metal, steel. These are good conductors. Bad conductors क्या है? Wood, plastic and rubber. जिसमें से heat pass नहीं हो सकती. So there are some substances which can carry heat easily. उसमें आपकी example क्या है? Steel and iron. Okay, but there are some substances that cannot carry heat easily. These are called bad conductors of heat. So plastic, wood, and rubber. These are bad conductors. Okay, so next topic पे आ जाए आप electrical conductivity. Moving on towards the next topic, we have electrical conductivity. Okay, now can you see this wire is made up of either metal, copper or aluminium? Because okay, wires in your homes are also made up of these two metals, whether they are made up of copper or whether they are made up of aluminium. So both these wires are good conductors of electricity. They can conduct electricity. So substances whose molecules can carry electricity are called good conductors of electricity. You can underline the definition, it's written over here. You can underline the definition. Substances whose molecules can carry electricity are called good conductor. यानी जिनमें current आ सकता है, which can pass on the current. Substances which can pass on the current, they are called good conductors of electricity. Okay, so aluminium hai, copper hai, these are good conductors. Underline, aluminium and copper both are good conductors of electricity. The first three lines आपको underline करनी है. Okay, basically I have already told you that in our homes or anywhere, mostly the wires are made up of copper or aluminum. Copper wires are basically a little cheap and aluminium is quite expensive. So mostly copper wires are used. At homes, copper wires are used because aluminium is quite expensive. That's why we do not use it. So, but the wires made of copper and aluminium both are very good because both can conduct electricity very well. Okay, like as we have studied in thermal conductivity, that as there are good conductors of heat as well as there are bad conductors of heat. Similarly, in electrical conductivity, there are also some good conductors of electricity and there are some bad conductors of electricity, means through which electricity cannot pass. Now you think, which are the things through which electricity cannot pass? You can tell me which of the things through which electricity cannot pass. G students, tell me. One of you can tell me, raise your hands. One of you can tell me which of the substances through which electricity cannot pass. G students, okay, I will tell you. So, like we have studied in heat, The insulators of heat means the bad conductors of heat are also the bad conductors of electricity, that is wood, rubber. These are also bad conductors of electricity as they are bad conductors of heat. Okay, so you can underline the definition in the second paragraph. This paragraph, you can underline molecules of some substances cannot carry electricity through them. These substances are called bad conductors of electricity. Students, be attentive, listen carefully. Now we have studied four definitions. We have studied how many definitions? Four definitions. What are these? सबसे पहले हमने कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ा? Thermal conductivity. What do we mean by thermal conductivity? Number one definition. Thermal means heat and conductivity means to pass. So there are some substances, molecules of some substance. Focus किस बात पे? Molecule. क्योंकि हर substance में molecules होते हैं. Whether you talk about solid, liquid or gas, every substance has a molecule. So we have studied molecules of some substances can carry heat easily. So they are called good conductors of heat, like metals and steel, utensils. Okay. Then we have studied bad conductors of heat, molecules of some substances that cannot carry heat easily. They are called bad conductors of heat. So what are these? They are rubber, wood and plastic. Okay. Now electrical conductivity में we have studied the same definitions. Just आपने heat की जगह क्या लगा देना है? Electricity. Then molecules of some substances that can carry electricity, that can carry current, are called good conductors of electricity, and that cannot carry current, that are called bad conductors. अब good conductors में हमारे पास किसकी examples है? Metals की, जैसे metal, जैसे wires में copper और aluminium. Okay, wires are made up of copper, so these are good conductors of electricity. इसी तरह से bad conductors में, poor conductors में हमारे पास किसकी example आती है? Wood and rubber. These are bad conductors or these are poor conductors of electricity. Okay, because through them electricity cannot pass. Okay, now the next topic is magnetism. Magnetism, underline. Molecules of some substances are attracted by magnets. Okay, underline molecules of some substances are attracted by magnets. यानी कुछ चीजें magnets की तरफ attract हो जाती हैं, जैसे कि iron है, cobalt and nickel. These are all metals. इन तीनों को underline करें. Underline them and write metals. ये क्या है? Metals है ये. Underline and write metals. Iron, cobalt and nickel. Underline metals. Are strongly attracted by magnets and are called magnetic substances. Underline the definition. Okay, whichever thing is attracted by a magnet, it is called a magnetic substance. Okay, whatever thing is attracted by a magnet, it is called a magnetic substance. Okay, तो मोस्टली जैसे आयरन है, कोबाल्ट हो गया, निकल हो गया, ये तो मेटल्स है. आयरन की एग्जांपल ले लें आप लोग. आयरन इज अट्रैक्टेड बाय मैग्नेट. आयरन इज अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स अ मैग्नेट, so it is a magnetic substance. Objects such as wood, glass, plastic and rubber are not attracted by magnets and are known as non-magnetic substances. Okay, underline. This is also Manahid, you are not attentive. Manahid, I'm saying you are not attentive. Students, be attentive towards your books and underline the definitions. Hurry up. Objects such as wood, plastic, glass and rubber are not attracted by magnets and are known as non-magnetic substances. Manahid, unmute yourself. I want to ask question. Hurry up. Manahid, and saying unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, I'm saying. You are not listening to me?
यस टीचर।
जी, आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
टीचर वो ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा था।
क्या हुआ था? ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा था?
यस
आप बुक की
अभी आया।
तरफ, आप ड्यूरिंग लेक्चर बुक की तरफ नहीं देख रहे? You have to be attentive towards your book. Okay? Okay, now
ओके
tell me what are magnetic substances? बताइए जो अभी भी मैंने पढ़ा। बुक की तरफ देखे बगैर बताएं। Yes, tell me what are magnetic substances? Yes, Manahid, I am saying don't look at your book now. Just tell me what are magnetic substances. I have told you just now the definition. क्या होते हैं magnetic substances? यही बात है. You are not attentive. Now I will ask another student. Wait. Zainab. Zainab, I have unmuted you. You can tell me.
The magnetic substances are magnets which
Not
जब मैग्नेट जिस चीज को खींच लेता है अपने पास वो मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस नहीं होते।
जी वही सही उर्दू में आपने सही बताइए। That magnets attract some things towards them. तो जो चीजें मैग्नेट्स की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो जाती हैं, whatever things are attracted towards a magnet, they are called magnetic substances. जैसे आपको ये एक्टिविटी नजर आ रही है नीचे, you can look that these are iron nails, and when you bring a magnet towards the iron nails, they are attracted towards them. Okay, so these are called magnetic substances. As you can now, I will show you one picture of magnetism. This one. Now, as you can see, that the magnets are attracting towards them. This is the field of a magnet. This is the field of a, इस field के अंदर अंदर magnet जो है वो magnetic substances को अपनी तरफ attract कर ले. ठीक है? A magnet attracts magnetic substances towards itself in this field. अगर कोई चीज इस field से बाहर है, then it can't attract. Okay, but if the thing is within this field, it can attract. So this is called magnetism. Magnetism क्या है? The magnet has a field in which it attracts magnetic substances towards itself. अब यहाँ पर अगर मैं रबर रख देती हूँ, for example, if I just replace rubber over here, look at the pointer यहाँ पर, ठीक है? तो can it be attracted towards the magnet? No, it will not be attracted towards the magnet because it is not a magnetic substance. वो क्यों attract नहीं होगा? क्योंकि वो magnetic substance नहीं है. It is not a magnetic substance. So there are some substances which are not attracted by magnets. There are some objects that are not attracted by magnets. Such objects are called non-magnetic substances. Underline the definitions. Underline the whole paragraph of magnetism. These are the definitions. And as you can see, this magnet can attract like in this way. Things are attracted towards it. If you place iron over here, then it will get attached to the magnet. Okay, and then we can say it will get, when it will get attached to the magnet, then we can say that it is a magnetic substance. What is it? It is a magnetic substance. As you can see in the activity which is given below, that you have that they have shown you some iron nails, and they are being attracted towards both the poles of the magnet. You know that magnet had two poles. One is north and one is south. So these nails, as you can see in your books, this one activity, that these nails are attracted towards the magnet. Okay, so अब देखिए उसमें क्या है, सॉ डस्ट है. अब सॉ डस्ट में से भी उसने सॉ डस्ट को तो अट्रैक्ट नहीं किया ना. इट कैन नॉट अट्रैक्ट सॉ डस्ट, बट इट अट्रैक्ट्स दी iron nails, because iron nails are magnetic substances and the sawdust are not magnetic substances. That's why. So this is the activity you can, if you are having some magnets at home, you can do activities with various things. You can just place them near door knobs, you can place them near doors, you can place them near some kind of metal or some kind of any kind of objects, and then you can see that which things are magnetic and which are non-magnetic. Okay, okay, now you can see this figure. These are the picture of electrical conductors and electrical insulators. So now, what are conductors? Silver, gold, copper, steel, and sorry, what is written? Sea water. So these are conductors. Water is also conductor. Electrical conductors means जिसमें से electric current pass हो सकता है. They can pass electricity through them. Okay, so they are called electrical conductors because they can conduct electricity through them. Then electrical insulators. Insulators में क्या है? Rubber, glass, oil, diamond, and dry wood. Dry wood. Okay, because if it is wet, then it can also catch current. So rubber is an insulator, glass, oil, diamond, wood. These are all insulators. So this is the difference between conductors and insulators का मतलब which cannot conduct electricity. So they are bad conductors of electricity, below one, and the above one are good conductors of electricity. Okay. So now your chapter is finished, and I will told you. Okay, come to page number. Okay, activities are left because I can't conduct activity. सारी सी बात है. But if you want to do some activity, you can read your activities in your book, and if you want to do it, you can do it. You can do open page number 27. Open page number 27. You can do this one activity I told you. ये वाली. This one. You can do this activity. Like take a piece of ice, observe it after some time. You will notice that the ice which was in solid form melts and turns into water, which is its. ये activity आप घर पे कर सकते हो easily. उसके बाद ये activity है एक और. ये 1 minute. यहाँ पर एक और एक्टिविटी लिखी हुई है. Like you can take water and you can put some drops of ink in it. ये एक्टिविटी आप कर सकते हैं ताकि उसकी सॉलिबिलिटी चेक कर सकें. इसी तरह से आप सॉलिड इन लिक्विड में आप ग्लास में चीनी डाल के you can put some sugar in water, or you can put some salt in water. You can do this activity as well. These are different activities. ओके, और ये वाली एक्टिविटी जो इससे नेक्स्ट पेज पे है, ये वाली वो क्या है कि यू कैन टेक हाफ अ बाउल ऑफ मिल्क. आपने एक मिल्क लेना है, देन यू हैव टू pour some water in it and you have to mix it. After some time you will see that the milk and water appear as one liquid. So ये एक्टिविटी में तो आपको सारी सी बातें करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, वैसी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए कि मिल्क और वाटर मिक्सिबल लिक्विड्स हैं, मींस दे कैन इजीली मिक्स टुगेदर. बस यही एक्टिविटीज हैं आपकी जो मैं आपको रीड करके दे. Okay, now come to your exercise. आपका टाइम ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश हो गया. मैं अब आप लोगों से सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर पूछूंगी, एक्सरसाइज बता दूँ। ये हम फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स करेंगे। ओके, एक्सरसाइज में फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स ओपन करें। ओपन पेज नंबर 31, number 1, the smallest unit of a substance. Now you can unmute. I want to unmute one by one. Okay, Zainab, I am unmuting you first. G, tell me, the smallest unit of a substance showing all its properties is called a molecule या mass?
mass,
Oh, molecule. Substances के क्या होते हैं? Molecules होते हैं ना? Molecule. Okay, next student, Manahid, unmute yourself.
yes teacher,
Okay, next blank. Dash have a definite size, shape, and volume. Liquid or solid?
liquid,
Liquids.
solid,
Solids. Dash liquids mixed with next student कौन है? 1 minute. Yes, marriage. Dash liquids mixed with one another.
miscible,
Miscible. Okay, miscible. Yes. Good. Next, dua. Dash is a good conductor of electricity. Rubber, copper. Yes, dua.
rubber,
Yes. Rubber? No.
copper,
Good conductor. Copper. Good conductor क्या होते हैं? Metals. Copper. Dash attract iron on next student.
magnet,
Abdul Rahman Zishan. Yes, Zishan, unmute yourself. Or Abdul Rahman. Are you unmute?
magnet,
Yes, magnet. Magnet attracts iron objects. Zainab, I have not asked you. Okay, next. Yashat Sangiri. Yes, Yashat, unmute yourself. Yes. Corrosion is dash.
harmful,
Corrosion is harmful. Okay, B part आप लोगों को मैंने दे दिया था. Now you have to complete part C at home. Okay, you have to complete part C.
excuse me teacher,
Okay, now I'm going to ask questions from you.
teacher,
जी,
teacher ये question answers हैं, ये question answers हैं,
question answers जी, part B, part C, both are question answers. Now,
teacher
I have
5
given
and 6 filling the, तो teacher हमें इनके notes नहीं मिले, टीचर हमने तो यूनिट 4 और यूनिट 5 के नोट्स भेज दिए थे, मैंने कर भी लिए हैं टीचर, नोट्स नहीं मिले हुए हमें,
यूनिट 3 के नोट्स मिले होंगे, नहीं मिले?
नहीं मिले टीचर, नहीं मिले हुए।
अच्छा ठीक है श्योर।
टीचर यूनिट 4 और यूनिट 5 के दोनों के मुझे मिल गए और मैंने कर भी लिए हैं।
ये जिन जिन के कैमरास बंद है वो अपने कैमरास ऑन करें। जैन अली टर्न ऑन योर कैमरास, टर्न ऑन योर कैमरास जिनके कैमरास बंद है। जैन अली और जैन अली का हो गया। ओके जी, ये अनम्यूट करें ना अपने आप को। अब्दुल रहमान, unmute yourself, Faryam. Yes, Yashad, answer my question now. What is meant by thermal conductivity? What is the meaning of thermal? पहले तो ये बताइए। जल्दी बताएं, hurry up. Thermal means मुश्किल मतलब तो नहीं है जो आप इतना टाइम ले रहे हैं। हरिए यस इशरत, नहीं पता। मारिश यू टेल मी, मारिश यू कैन टेल मी what is meant by thermal conductivity?
Molecules of substance can carry heat easily. Substances that can carry heat are called conductors of heat.
Friends, I have not asked you to just read from the book. मैंने आप लोगों से ये नहीं कहा कि आप लोग सिर्फ और सिर्फ रीडिंग करें, मुझे इसका मीनिंग बताएं अपने वर्ड्स। यस मनाहिद, where is it? Turn on your camera. Have you turned on your camera? Yes, what are good conductors of heat? Who will answer my question? Raise your hands. Yes, Zainab.
मेरा तो पूरा हो गया।
Yes, Zainab. Examples of good conductors of heat. आवाज ही नहीं आ रही मुझे, आवाज नहीं आई। आवाज नहीं आ रही। दुआ, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, हरिए। Yes, Ishad.
Yes.
Examples of good conductors of heat. Next lecture, अभी तो टाइम खत्म हो रहा है ना, अब आप लोग ये पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ लें। In the next lecture, I will just ask questions from you. मैं आगे भी पढ़ाऊंगी इसी चैप्टर के।
आपने नोट्स नहीं भेजे।
एक मिनट ज़ैनब, मैं नेक्स्ट